Today, you will learn how to count minutes in Japanese. Let's get started. The counter 分 is used to count minutes. For example, 1 minute is 1分. 5 minutes is 5分. Let's learn how to say them correctly. The pronunciation changes with some numbers. Listen and repeat after me. 1分、2分、3分、4分、5分、6分、7分、8分、9分、10分。Let's practice together. 1分、2分、3分、4分、5分、6分、7分、8分、9分、10分。How do you say 3 minutes? A. 3分 B. 3分 C. 3分 The correct answer is B. 3分 Next question. How do you say 8 minutes? A. 8分 B. 8分 C. 8分 The answer is A. 8分 Last question. How do you say 10 minutes? A. 10分 B. 10分 C. 10分 The answer is B. 10分 Let's say them together. 1分2分3分4分5分6分7分8分9分10分 Let's read all 10 together one more time. 1分2分3分4分5分6分7分8分9分10分 Today, you learn how to count minutes in Japanese using 分 Remember, some numbers change their pronunciation, so keep practicing a little every day.